Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Career Academy. So in this video, I am going to discuss about the multiple hiring drive for the freshers and first hiring which is from the Genpact. So Genpact की नए hiring opportunity open है as a process associate service desk. Okay. वॉट इज द क्राइटेरिया फॉर दिस हायरिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी? ग्रेजुएट इन एनी स्ट्रीम, मतलब ये कोई भी ब्रांच के स्टूडेंट्स अप्लाई कर सकते हैं अगर आपके पास कोई भी एक स्किल सेट है और कुछ नॉलेज आपका सर्विस डेस्क में, देन यू कैन डेफिनेटली अप्लाई. अगर आपके पास आईटीएल का सर्टिफिकेशन, यू कैन अप्लाई. मल्टीटास्किंग नॉलेज यू शेयर, देन यू कैन अप्लाई इन दिस वन. ओके, सो क्वालिफिकेशन आपको समझ में, कोई भी ग्रेजुएट यहाँ पे अप्लाई कर सकते हैं एज अ प्रोसेस एसोसिएट सर्विस डेस्क यू आर गोइंग टू अप्लाई. नेक्स्ट हायरिंग जो डायरेक्ट हायरिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी होने वाला है AI/ML ट्रेनी एंड दिस इज फॉर नोडा लोकेशन. 6 मंथ का ड्यूरेशन होने वाला है. स्टाइपेंड बेस्ड इंटर्नशिप अपॉर्चुनिटी गाइस आपको मिलने वाली है एंड 12K पर मंथ दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग. ओके, ऐसा ही नहीं है कि आपको यहाँ ओनली इंटर्नशिप लेंगे. अगर आपका परफॉर्मेंस यहाँ पे काफी अच्छा रहता है तो यहाँ पे PPO अपॉर्चुनिटी भी मिलने वाली है विच इज अराउंड 3.5 to 4.5 lakhs पैकेज. ज्वाइनिंग इमीडिएटली बेसिस पे you are going to apply. So this is direct hiring opportunity, you can definitely apply. You have to provide your skill set, you have to provide your pass out year, then update your resume, then submit your application. Next hiring के बारे में हम बात करने वाले हैं. That is from the SCL Tech. SCL Tech की डायरेक्टली वर्क यहाँ पे ओपन है. 6 मंथ से लेकर यहाँ पे एक्सपीरियंस रिक्वायर्ड है. अगर आपके पास 6 मंथ का कोई इंटर्नशिप है, 4 या 5 मंथ का इंटर्नशिप है, आप इसमें डेफिनेटली अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. दे आर हायरिंग, दे आर डायरेक्टली कंडक्टिंग अ वर्क ड्राइव 4th and 5th September which you can clearly see. Okay, and this is for Tamil Nadu location and exactly they have mentioned the details and it is updated few hours ago only. So this is very recent opportunity, you can try in this one also. नेक्स्ट हायरिंग विच इज फ्रॉम दी सिस्को. गाइस सिस्को में अगर आपने अप्लाई नहीं किया, सिस्को हायरिंग हैज बीन अनाउंस्ड एज अ सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर इंटर समर इंटर्नशिप ड्राइव इज देयर एंड व्हाट इज द क्राइटेरिया फॉर दिस हायरिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी? देयर विल बी 3 डिफरेंट जॉब रोल. सी देयर विल बी 3 डिफरेंट लाइक डोमेन. As a software engineer, you can apply networking protocols will be there. Software engineer application software will be there. Software engineer embedded and system development will be there. All the job roles there will be little bit experience required, like not experience, little bit skill set. For not networking, the main thing is networking. For application software, the main thing is coding. For embedded and system, there will be different like computer science, fundamental programming and scripting language and system programming language. So there will be different skill set for the each domain, right? And who you are means what is the criteria? The requirement is 27 pass out, only 27 pass out students can apply. Computer science background or computer science fundamentals only you should have, then you can definitely apply in this hiring opportunity also. Guys, one of the biggest direct test hiring opportunities there. This is from the Flipkart Vidyarthi. Okay, so guys, Flipkart Vidyarthini 4.0 is live and today is the last day to apply in this one. You can clearly see registration end date September 2 2025 11:59 p.m. registration will close and this is totally for freshers, experience mentioned freshers. And what are the salary package they are providing through this hiring contest? That is 32 lakhs. Okay, but the criteria is very different. अगर आप फर्स्ट ईयर की फीमेल स्टूडेंट्स है फ्रॉम माई फ्लैग से PGDM से लाइक 2 year कोर्सेज, देन यू कैन अप्लाई. एंड यहाँ पे कुछ मेंशनड कॉलेजेस हैं जिनकी स्टूडेंट्स आप होना चाहिए. यहाँ पे आप क्लियरली देख सकते हैं FMS, IIM बैंगलोर, IIM लखनऊ, IIM इंदौर, IIM रांची. So this is for specific colleges, specific student, then you can apply. अगर आप PGDM लाइक IIM के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, यू कैन अप्लाई. स्टाइपेंड आपको मिल सकता है 1.2 लाख तक का. इंटरव्यू अपॉर्चुनिटी आपको मिलने वाली है. You can clearly apply in this hiring opportunity. This is direct test hiring opportunity. Next hiring which is from the EY. EY hiring for the testing PMO campus and this is also for freshers. What are the criteria? You can clearly see BTech or B students can apply from the IT computer science branches. 60% percentage criteria, no active backlog you should have for this hiring. Next hiring which is from the Shell assessed internship program is live and this is posted yesterday and this is very recent opportunity. And what are the criteria for this hiring opportunity? If you are currently pursuing bachelor's or master or PhD degree or either relevant skill set, if you are, then you can definitely apply in this hiring program, that is Shell assessed internship program 2026. Accenture currently hiring for the quality engineer tester and this is latest hiring from the Accenture. As a fresher you can definitely apply. This is for Gurgaon location. What are the criteria? So as a fresher, like you should have some knowledge of ETL process, SQL query. Bachelor's of engineering students can apply. And how to apply in this one? You have to register on the founded, then you can search Accenture and the Accenture category company you can find this hiring. So this is the process to apply in this hiring opportunity. Next hiring which is from the vacant intern, that is from the FNP, you have to clearly fill this application form for vacant, and then you can apply in this one. Next hiring which is from the Villastop hiring for the application developer, 0 to 1 year of experience, HTML, CSS, JavaScript knowledge you should have, you can apply. Next hiring which is from the Atomwork hiring for the intern, and this is especially for the Pune location, and as an intern you are going to work as a AI or ML field. Okay, 25K per month they are providing, and especially they are providing work from home also. Guys, अगर आप AI की फील्ड में जाना चाहते हैं, then Outscale is providing a generative AI like free program. If you want to register, then you can register. This is very important, काफी यूजफुल आपके लिए होने वाला है. काफी स्टूडेंट्स यहाँ पे रजिस्ट्रेशन कर चुके हैं. अगर आपने रजिस्ट्रेशन नहीं किया, you can do registration. Multiple companies are hiring through active job like leading healthcare group, Hasperity and Retail Network for the Manistech full stack developer, and पैकेज भी आपको काफी अच्छा मिलने वाला है. You can definitely try in this one also. One more direct test hiring opportunity which is from the Tata Group. Tata Cubicle Campus Quiz is live, and you can definitely apply. Everyone can apply. Individual participation will be there. Then don't miss this one also. I hope you like this video. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.